1200 meters, and they're on their way. Cool reception from the outside. Tiger Rafi by the rail. Madame Leonora racing in third. Mr. Lindros down in fourth. Racing in fifth is Smart Alec. Then comes runner number 6, Sophia's Fury, and make no mistake, is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 900 with Tiger Rafi in command by 3/4 of a length lead over Madame Leonora. Cool reception drops back in third, moving up by the rail Smart Alec. Once again on the outside, catching the fourth spot, Mr. Lindros. Sophia's Fury, and trailing the group is Make No Mistake as they race towards the last 450. Cool reception once again takes the lead from the outside. Madame Leonora running at the center. Tiger faced by the relent Mr. Lindros with the last 150 more to run. Cool reception this time by about a length and a half. Running by the rail Tiger Rafi, Madame Leonora, and Mr. Lindros. And leading the finish line, it's Cool Reception. Madame Leonora, Tiger Rafi, Mr. Lindros, Smart Alec, Make No Mistake, and Sophia's Fury.